Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you a super simple way to fix iPhone speaker sound too low. Let's get started. First, let's make sure the sound isn't being lowered by a simple setting. Go to your Settings app and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Check the ringer and alerts volume slider. Drag it all the way to the right to make sure your ringer and alerts are at maximum volume. Also, look for the Change with Buttons toggle. If this is on, your side volume buttons will control your ringer volume. A very common reason for low speaker volume is dirt and debris. Over time, lint and dust can clog the tiny speaker grill at the top and bottom of your iPhone. First, turn your iPhone off. Now, take a small, soft bristled brush, like a clean toothbrush, and gently brush the speaker grills on your iPhone. Use a dry cloth to wipe away any dust. You can also use a small piece of sticky putty or blue tack. Gently press it onto the speaker grill, then quickly pull it away. Be careful not to press too hard. If you've tried these steps and your speaker sound is still low, the issue may be more complex. The next steps would be to restart your iPhone, check for a new iOS update, or even consider having your device checked by a professional. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips.